find the zeros of the linear function. So let's have the example of finding the zeros of the linear function. So first we have y is equals to 4x minus 7. So to find for the zero of this equation, we have to first set our y to 0. Then we are going to substitute that. So if y equals to 0 equals to 4x minus 7. Or we can have that as 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Transpose 7 to the other side. So that is 4x is equal to 7. Then divide both sides by 4. So x for the 0 is equal to 7 over 4. In number 2, we have to set also with our y with 0. Then substitute 0 with our y. So 0 is equal to 6 minus 5x. Transpose negative 5x to the other side, it becomes positive 5x. So 5x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 5. So x will be 6 over 4. Example number 3, we have y equals to 3x over 2 plus 4. So again, set our y with 0. So 0 is equals to 3x over 2 plus 4. So we're going to transfer 3 over 2 on the other side. So negative 3 over 2x is equal to 4. Then multiply both sides by 2 to remove the denominator here. So negative 3x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by negative 3. So our 0 is equal to negative 8 over 3. Okay, number 4 sample, set our y again with 0. So 0 is equal to 5 minus 4x over 3. Transpose 4x over 3 on the other side, so it becomes 4x over 3 is equal to 5. Negative, it becomes positive. Multiply both sides by 3. 4x is equal to 15. Divide both sides by 4. X will be 15 over 4. Example number 5, we have 3x minus 4y over 3 is equal to 2x plus 8. So again, let's set our y with 0 for us to get the 0 of our function, of our linear function. So 3x minus 4 times 0, which is y, over 3 is equal to 2x plus 8. Then cancel this one, so 3x over 3 is equal to 2x plus 8. Plus multiply, so that will be 3x is equal to 3 times 2x plus 8. Then distribute this one, becomes 3x is equal to 6x plus 8. Okay, transpose 6 to the other side. 3x minus 6x is equal to 8. Positive 6x, it becomes negative 6x. So that is negative 3x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by negative 3. X will be negative 8 over